Hey friends, have you ever felt like no matter how hard you work, you are always busy, yet never truly moving forward? Like there's always too much to do, and too little time to do it. Well, today's book might just change everything for you. We're talking about The One Thing by Gary Keller and Jay Papasan. A life changing book that teaches a simple but powerful truth. Success doesn't come from doing more. It comes from doing the one thing that matters most. Sounds simple, right? But in a world full of distractions, it's not easy. This book shows us how to find that one focus, that one goal, that one habit that can create a domino effect in your life, making everything else easier or even unnecessary. So, in this video, we'll dive deep into what the one thing really means, why multitasking is your biggest enemy, and how focusing on one small thing can lead to extraordinary results. So sit back, relax, and let's discover together how just one thing can transform your entire life. 1. The big question: what's your one thing? Gary Keller asks a simple yet powerful question. What's the one thing I can do such that by doing it, everything else becomes easier or unnecessary? This question is the core of the entire book. It forces you to think clearly about what truly matters, not what just keeps you busy. We live in a world where everyone is trying to do everything. We multitask, jump between apps, answer calls, reply to messages, and at the end of the day, feel drained, yet unproductive. But here's the truth. Being busy doesn't mean being productive. Busy people try to do everything. Successful people focus on one thing. And that's the heart of this book. 2. The domino effect: small steps, big impact. Keller introduces a beautiful metaphor: the domino effect. Imagine a line of dominoes. When you push the first one, it hits the next, and that hits the next, eventually knocking down a huge chain. Now here's the magic. According to physics research, each domino can knock down another domino 50% larger than itself. That means, a small action today can start a chain reaction of massive success tomorrow. So instead of trying to move 100 dominoes at once, find your first domino, the one task that sets everything else in motion. For example, if your goal is to get fit, your one thing isn't going to the gym. It's waking up early. Because if you wake up early, everything else becomes easier. 3. Success leaves clues. Learn from the best. Gary Keller says, success leaves clues. Every successful person, no matter the field, has one thing in common: laser focus. Let's take a few examples. Steve Jobs focused on a few revolutionary products: iPhone, iPad, and Mac. Sachin Tendulkar focused only on cricket, not 1,000 hobbies. Warren Buffett says, the difference between successful and very successful people is that very successful people say no to almost everything. The lesson: stop saying yes to everything. Start protecting your time like your life depends on it, because it does. When you focus on fewer things, you can achieve extraordinary results. Small diamond 4. The 6 lies that hold you back. Keller lists 6 lies that most people believe, lies that block success. Let's uncover them one by one. Keycap 1: everything matters equally. No, it doesn't. Some things matter much more than others. Identify the vital few that truly move your life forward. Keycap 2: multitasking works. No, it doesn't. Multitasking divides your focus and energy. Your brain can only focus fully on one thing at a time. Keycap 3: a disciplined life is required. Discipline matters only until habits are built. Once you form the right habit, it becomes automatic. Keycap 4: willpower is always available. No, willpower is like a battery, it drains as the day goes on. So do your most important task when your energy is highest, usually in the morning. Keycap 5: a balanced life is possible. Perfect balance doesn't exist. Life is about priorities, not perfection. Balance is when you know which area needs attention right now. Keycap 6: big is bad. Many people fear thinking big, but Keller says, don't fear big goals. Fear small thinking. Dream big, but take small, focused steps daily. 5. Time blocking. Protect your focus. One of the most practical ideas from the book is time blocking. It means setting aside a specific, non negotiable block of time every day to work only on your one thing. No phone, no emails, no meetings, just focus. Keller calls this your success block. During this time, you protect your focus like gold. He says, your most productive time is your most valuable asset. Guard it fiercely. If you spend even 2 to 3 hours daily on your one thing, you'll achieve more in a year than most people do in 5. 6. The focusing question, your daily compass. Here's the golden question again. And this time, use it like your compass. What's the one thing I can do today such that by doing it, everything else will be easier or unnecessary? Ask yourself this every morning. Examples. If you are a student, ask, what's the one topic that will improve my understanding of all others? If you are a YouTuber, ask, what's the one video idea that can grow my channel the fastest? If you are a professional, ask, what's the one skill that will take my career to the next level? This question gives you clarity every single day. Small diamond 7. Willpower and energy management. Most people think success depends on motivation. But Keller says, motivation fades. Energy doesn't. Willpower is like a phone battery. When you wake up, it's 100%. As the day goes on, it drains, through decisions, distractions, and stress. That's why the best time to do your one thing is in the morning, when your mind is fresh, calm, and powerful. So instead of wasting mornings scrolling through social media, use the time to work on what truly matters. 8. Habit building, the secret of success. Keller explains that success is not an event, it's a process of habits. Research shows it takes about 66 days to build a new habit. So if you focus on your one thing for 66 days straight, it becomes part of who you are. Think about it. You don't need to feel motivated to brush your teeth, it's automatic. In the same way, once you build the right habit, your success becomes automatic too. Small diamond 9. The circle of life. Find your one thing in every area. Gary Keller says you should find your one thing in 6 areas of life. Keycap 1. Spiritual life. What's the one thing that connects you to your purpose? Keycap 2. Physical health. What's the one habit that keeps you strong? Keycap 3. Personal life. What's the one activity that helps you grow? Keycap 4. Relationships. What's the one thing that strengthens your bond with loved ones? Keycap 5. Job, business. What's the one task that drives your success? Keycap 6. Finances. What's the one habit that improves your financial security? Ask this question in each area, and you'll find balance and direction. 10. Think big. Start small. Many people are scared of big goals. They think, it's too hard. I'm not ready yet. But Keller reminds us, you don't have to be great to start. You just have to start to be great. Big success doesn't happen overnight. It happens from small, consistent actions repeated daily. So don't wait for the perfect moment, start now. Take that first small step today. 11. The formula for success: purpose right pointing arrow, priority right pointing arrow, productivity. Keller breaks success into a simple formula: purpose right pointing arrow, priority right pointing arrow, productivity. Your purpose gives your direction, why you are doing something. Your priority gives your focus, what you should do first. Your productivity gives your results, how you execute it daily. When these three align, your life becomes unstoppable. 12. The simple truth about success. Success is simple, but not easy. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. Every yes to distractions is a no to your dreams. Every no to distractions is a yes to your future. So remember, if everything is important, then nothing is. When you focus on what truly matters, you create clarity, energy, and results. So friends, Let's wrap it up. The one thing teaches us that life doesn't get better by doing more. It gets better by doing what matters most. Every morning, ask yourself, what's the one thing I can do today to make my life better? Then give it your best focus. No distractions, no excuses. Gary Keller beautifully says, extraordinary results are directly determined by how narrow you can make your focus. So stop trying to do everything. Start focusing on your one thing. And you'll be amazed at how your life transforms. Because remember, you don't need to do more. You just need to focus better. Do less, but do it better. If you found this summary useful, don't forget to like, comment your one thing below. And subscribe for more powerful book summaries and life lessons. Thank you for watching. And until next time, stay focused, stay consistent, and chase your one thing.